Hi everyone, welcome to part 3 of this is my third tip for the Kathy Orta POSH Mini Organiser. This one we're going to make a template for the photo mat page. Now Kathy used a photo mat the length of the page, but I found that once you've got your mat, okay, and then your photo goes over it. If you put a photo there, this is way too long and this is too narrow, so it's not in proportion. So what I decided to do was, you could cut a 6x4 photo down to size, and cut your subject out and there it is, that's fine. And I may do that to some of the pages in this organiser, but on the most part, I'm going to do a 3x4 photo mat here. And then I'll have a little space down here, or up the top, I can use it top or bottom, for a title or a caption. So we're going to make the template for this page, okay, for this mat, because we're slitting these as well. Alright, so what I've done is I've found this, I'm using the Tim Holtz ruler here that's got the 0 in the centre, and I need to come down I need to go down 5/8, come up 5/8 from here, so 5/8 is between 1/4 and 1/2, so that's that line there. 5/8? 5/8 is 1/8 over 1/2, so there's the 1/2, and I'm bringing it down there. Okay, so I need to find the centre first, which is about there. It's pretty good, and I'm lining up my ruler for the 5/8. I'm just going to mark that, and then I'm coming in here on both sides. I'm coming in 5/16 of an inch, so that is just over 1/4 of an inch. So I need to, okay, I'm not going to get a 1/16 out of the Tim Holtz ruler, but I think I'm just going to eyeball it. So it's just over the 1/4 mark. Now I need to come down 3 inches, but we can work that out later. I just want to get these. So there's the 1/4. Use this side, I think. It's got a stronger line on it. Okay, there's the 1/4, and I need just 1/16, which is hopefully about, well, 1/16 is 1/2 of an 1/8 of an inch. So I'm going to come into about there. And remembering this is only your template. So this here, I want it 3 inches. So I'm just going to position that there and go over here, and there's your 3-inch mark there. So I've actually come over a bit too far here. So I'm going to come in now with my black pen and bring that line down a bit. Probably about there, so that evens it up. It was a bit crooked too. That's a bit better. Okay, so I'm going to go 3 inches from that darker line there. Okay, there's the line there and there, and from here 3 inches is there, and then I will just that. There's that line there, just make that darker for you. And so I need to come down 4 inches. Which is there, and there. Okay. There we go. Alright, so now we've got our photo mat area there. And now what I did with this one, I came over 1/2 an inch and marked the 1/2 inch mark on all 1/2 inch in from each of the corners. Alright, then I join those lines up there. So just there and this is where the slits are going to be. Okay, so now we can come in with our 1/16 inch hole punch and punch the holes. Okay, now we've got our template. Now we need, now this is going right here, that one there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use some plain cardstock, the same colour that I'm going to be using on this, on the top of this corner pocket. So I'm going to cut another piece that now we want that to be there, so we're putting our template behind our matting, turn it over, make sure it's all lined up, and mark where you've punched your holes. And punch your holes. Okay, all holes are punched. Now I need my 3x4 photo mat, and I think I'll do that in the black. So your photo is going to be about 2 3/4 by 3 3/4. Okay, now we need to ink the edges first. Now you'll see this is not quite centered, so I'm okay with it. I'm going to turn around it that way. I think, yeah. And so now I need to, I'm going to put the 1/4 inch, the 1/8 inch sticky strip down the long sides, and I can put the 1/4 inch on the shorter sides. Alright, now we can apply our liquid glue, our wet glue, making sure we don't go too close to those punched holes. Take our backing off. Okay, so now you can see our holes there. Okay, so we've got a guide now, and take our ruler and our craft knife and cut away. Okay, stick your craft knife into that hole, dig it in, line up your ruler with your other hole, and you'll feel it